Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Kids Zone. In this video, we are going to learn how to write and read three-letter words with E sound. So let's begin. B, E, D, bed. F, E, D, fed. L, E, D, led. R, E, D, red. W, E, D, fed. P, E, G, bag. L, E, G, leg. P, E, G, peg. D, E, N, den. H, E, N, hen. M, E, N, men. P, E, N, pen. T, E, N, ten. G, E, T, get. J, E, D, jet. L, E, D, let. M, E, D, met. P, E, D, pet. N, E, D, net. V, E, D, vet. S, E, D, set. W, E, B, web. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.